Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and navigating around the COVID-19 pandemic situation in the best possible way. Well, I am also doing so. I'm your friend Zishan, father of a cute little boy, husband of a superwoman, a huge cricket fan, pool and snooker player, and learning design consultant. I'm sure you must be wondering why I'm creating this video after such a long time and reaching out to you. I remember I created this community back in 2015 when I delivered my seminar to the MBA students of Maulana Azad University, Hyderabad. And since then, it's been more than 5 years, and over these 5 years, I have grown a lot in my career, personally as well as in profession. So I hope you all are doing fine and you have also grown a lot in those 5 years. I really want to apologize for the fact that I haven't been in touch with you all over these 5 years. But I'm pretty sure going forward you will see more active on this particular Facebook page, and we'll be interacting more over it and discussing a lot of different activities, and we'll be in touch definitely for sure. The reason why I am recording this video is to discuss about COVID-19 pandemic situation we all are facing, and this pandemic has distorted our lives in so many ways, and it is very important as a human being to adapt to this change very quickly, otherwise we all will be obsolete. One such change is changing your employability ethics. It is very important to think about your employability and changing the ethics so that you become more relevant into the industry and wherever you are working. And for that, I have co-authored a very interesting book, which is Being Employable, with different co-authors belonging to different industries, and they have a lot of expertise and experience belonging to different industries, and we all came together to formulate a very interesting book, Being Employable. It is a must-read book for all of us who want to take our career into our hands and do not only dependent upon the market situation. This book is being written and published with a very noble cause, where the objective of this book is to help everybody around us to be able to take control of their career and understand about the different industries and the situation in those industries, and how we can navigate around tough situations and take control over our careers. This book will give different perspective about different industries, which will help you to take informed decision. Information is very important at this point in time, and the right information and the experience should go to you, and so that it will help you to take informed decision in every possible way. All the co-authors, we all have decided that we will donate the earning of this book for a noble cause to a charity, to a charitable trust, and more information will be given later on. And for that, I am trying to invite you for the book launch event, which is on August 15th, and more information will be given there itself. And friends, please do not think this is just a book launch event. This is much beyond that. This is Being Employable webcast, where a lot of different personalities and speakers will be coming, and they will help you to understand the importance of so many things which can be applied in your career, and that will definitely going to change the way you think about your career. One such speaker is Peter Sage. Peter Sage is international subject matter expert in human behavior and self-mastery, and the way he has looked at this world, it has helped him to earn Brand Laureate Award. And just to give you more perspective, the previous winners of this particular award was Nelson Mandela, Steve Jobs, and Cristiano Ronaldo. So you can understand the kind of perspective he can bring in as far as the discussion is concerned. So it's a very, very important discussion altogether, and I really want my friends, my community, to take leverage out of it. Another speaker is Jogesh Jain, and he is one of the best person I have met till now. He is my mentor too, and India's first employability coach. So you can understand the perspective he will bring out in his discussion. Other speakers are Brigadier Sushil Bhasin and Satish Purohit, and they both of them are renowned speakers and authors. And all in all, it will be a very interesting event where out of these 4 speakers, also the co-authors of this book will be there and sharing their experiences and ideas, what they have thought while actually writing this book. So you will gain a lot of perspective which can be applied in your career and leveraged in a best possible way. So go and check the description section. The registration link is already there in the description section. August 15th is the date, Independence Day. I know you all will be available. It's just that you need to take action and register for this event. Be there, and I will see you on the other side on August 15th with my book launch as a co-author. And also there are speakers who will give you different perspective about industries which can be leveraged in a best possible way. So all the best to you, and I'll see you on the other side on August 15th. Till then, goodbye, bye bye, and love you all.